Today we're going to talk about 7 surprising ways you can start using watermelon peels, probably ways you haven't heard of before. Now, watermelon peels are often discarded, but did you know they can be repurposed in various surprising and really healthy ways? Today we're going to talk about some creative ways I use watermelon peels, and the first way is to make watermelon peel pickles. And the rule here is that the watermelon needs to be organic because most of the pesticides is stored in the peels. So if you don't purchase organic watermelon, simply avoid the pickles recipe. Now, the watermelon rind can be pickled to create a tasty and tangy snack. Simply peel the green skin from the watermelon rind, cut it into bite-sized pieces, soak the mixture into vinegar, salt, sugar and spices, and let the pickled watermelon rind sit for a few days in the refrigerator before enjoying. The second way is to use a watermelon peel jam. Now, watermelon peel can be turned into a delicious and unique jam. All you need to do is boil chopped watermelon rind with sugar, lemon juice and spices until it has softened and thickened. The result is a sweet and wonderful, slightly tangy jam that can be spread on toast or used as a topping for yogurt or ice cream. Third way is to create a watermelon peel smoothie. Now, believe it or not, watermelon peel is edible. It can be added to smoothies for a boost of nutrients. Blend peeled watermelon rind with other fruits. I love berries. Citrus also is a wonderful option, along with yogurt or coconut water for a refreshing and wonderful summer drink. The fourth way is to make watermelon peel juice. Now, similar to smoothies, watermelon peel can be juiced to create a hydrating and nutritious drink. Run peeled watermelon rind through a juicer. Mix the juice with lime or mint for added flavor. Watermelon peel is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The way to use it is to create a watermelon peel face mask. Now, watermelon peel contains vitamins and antioxidants, really beneficial for the skin. Blend peeled watermelon rind with honey or yogurt to create a hydrating and exfoliating face mask. Apply the mask to clean skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water for a glowing complexion, perfect for dry and sensitive skin. Number 6 is watermelon peel potpourri. Now, dry watermelon peels and cut them into small pieces to make a homemade potpourri. Mix dried watermelon peel with other aromatic ingredients. My favorite is citrus zest, cinnamon sticks, and cloves for a natural and fragrant potpourri that can really freshen up any room. Lastly, if you love gardening or if you have indoor plants, you need to try this recipe. It is to create a watermelon peel compost. Instead of throwing away watermelon peels, compost them to create a nutrient soil for gardening. Watermelon peels break down really quickly in a compost pile and provide valuable organic matter that can help to improve soil structure as well as fertility. So I've shared with you 7 creative ways to use watermelon peels and reduce food waste. With a bit of creativity and experimentation, you can also be able to repurpose this wonderful part of the fruit. If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you in the next one.